live. Can you share your screen already, Stephen? That way I can put it up there as soon as I'm going live now.
Okay, let's do it. Oh my God, I love this music. Who made this music, man? I love this music. That's a good beat. Put the YouTubes up. I can't see the.
They're coming soon.
Yeah, but I gotta see how many people are coming on. How much?
300.
300? Where do you see that? What's up, everybody? Welcome, Denny. Hey, Lukster's in the house. What's up, brother?
Oh, I'm excited.
Oh my God.
Isn't it?
Oh my God. Hey, I was short some of this gold here. If it gets up to the 79.30, up to the 81.30, 82.30 range.
Steve.
What's up, brother?
802 and we're already calling trades.
Listen to this. Hey, Luke, all I got to tell you is that I put out a video today, and I am telling you, we're going to get 1,000 views tonight on our My Fund the Future's YouTube, because if we get 1,000 views, what are you giving away, Luke?
100 accounts. 150K core accounts.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I had the My Funded Futures marketing team. I had my marketing team. Oh, my God. Good Lord God. Good Lord God. You can short the gold?
No.
It just got up there, no? So, all right. Anyway, welcome, everybody.
Steve, who do you have with you today?
Who else? The one and only Hugo.
Wait, how do you spell that?
Hugo. Hugo.
Hugo. I call him Hugo. You call him Hugo?
That's Hugo. I call him Teddy Bear. Look at the size of him. I mean,
Whatever you want to call me.
Call me
Monster.
Monster. The monster of the Midway. Forget it.
It's my last night here tonight.
It's his last night. Then he heads back to Philadelphia on Saturday. Hey, everybody, welcome. Luke, you missed some night last night. We had a lot of cabooses going on here. S&P, NASDAQ futures, gold. I'm telling you, so many people. My phone literally blew up. I can't tell you how many people really contacted me during and after the show. How many people really love My Funded Futures, and again, a great relationship here. Again, if we hit 1,000 views, people on my live stream, people on my TikTok, my Instagram, my X, you have to go to My Funded Futures YouTube in order to be involved. If we hit that 1,000 mark, 1,000 views, the Luke Stir is giving away 100 accounts. 100 accounts. Right now we're at 315. This is our 8th day here. Okay? This is our 12th day. How many are we doing this? 3 weeks now? 3 weeks or 2?
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Our 12th night. Okay? And My Funded Futures has given away 315 accounts. I got it clocked here. 315. All right? All I know is today the patterns were amazing. There were a couple of stop outs, okay, from volatility, which, okay, happens. But overall, a great day. One person in my room, okay, did about 48,000. Another one did 6 figures. Another one did, so many people were doing multiple accounts here. But overall, what is the most important thing that you need to adhere to is your stops, right? You need to adhere to stops. Okay, that's the most important. What do I call it? 79.30 or 78.30? 79. All right, I would cancel the gold short. Okay,
And
right?
Steve, I just want to take a break for a second. I want to ask everybody in the chat where they're from. We got a strong showing already today.
Yeah, look at this.
Where is everyone at? We know Hugo is in Philadelphia. Hugo, if you want to put your address in the chat. So
Hugo's not putting his address.
where's everybody at? I'm in Detroit.
England. Oh my, Bedford, New York. I used to grow up in Katona. Look at this.
I'm not scared.
Oh my God, Brazil, Germany. Look at this. Look at this. Where's Artan? Artan's coming to see me on Sunday. Look at this. Jesus, Morocco, India, Indiana, Poland. We need to see people from South Korea, from Indonesia, Bali.
Where's
Okay.
South Korea?
Where? We saw South Korea?
No.
South Korea we need.
Yeah.
Japan, Hong Kong.
Japan.
This is where my funded futures nobody knows about. The prop world. I deal with a lot of people from Asia,
Oh, there's someone from South Korea.
South Korea, Colombia, Florida.
Puerto Rico.
Tampa.
I got robbed in Puerto Rico a month ago.
Hey, Sando from Florida, how are you? Oh my God. Look at this. We're almost at 600 already. They want this giveaway tonight.
Big giveaway.
Big giveaway. Big giveaway.
We might top the ante. We might have to do
Uh-oh.
something bigger.
Luke is on. Luke missed tonight, and he's already on fire. All I know is Denny is 11 for 11, Luke.
I like that.
Denny, the Denster, is really unbelievable. JR Trading.
Any new users can get 50% off any plane with code SK.
There you go.
Users buy one, get one 25% off. We'll talk more about that later, but if you want to hop in and follow along and trade with Steve, use code SK for the best available deal.
So I got to tell you, this gives me a lot of great joy here. I saw so many people, the money they made last night, and I got to tell you that, we saw some really great moves early on. I gave Denny the logo for Kaboosh and Kaboom, and he has some sound effects. Denny, you want to share some sound effects, or they're not ready yet? That's the Kaboom. What the hell is that?
What was that?
What the hell is that, Denny? Oh my God. Nigeria. What about Kaboosh? I told him it's going to be a bear. Look at his gold drop, $5. Jesus, Lord God, already. Anyway, great, nice. Swift Trade from New York City. How are you? Okay, the 50K account. Any plan? I don't know. You got to ask Luke. But anyway, if we hit 1,000 tonight, at any point of 1,000, we will do the drawing for 150K core accounts. And Luke has something else to share here. My screen just went down. All right. And we're going to post the link in here. Look at this gold drop, $6. I'm going to kill myself. Look at this. North Pole, New York, lost penny.
Steve, you can't say that. It's a little too extreme.
Well, I'm just saying. I just saw. It's always something I say during the day. Anyway, all right. So a lot of new people here last night. My phone literally blew up last night. So many people from around the world. We saw the Chinese market open. It pushed up, and then it got absolutely kabooshed. Michael, I can't see the.
Yeah, I gotta fix it. Something just
Okay.
happened.
All right. Okay. So, again, our 12th night here again. It's an honor and a privilege to be here with everybody. So great. Again, the amount of trades last night, right out of the get-go, really for the first time that we've been doing this, I think we took about 4 or 5 trades here early on. We saw some really great patterns today here. If this telestrator works, it does. Okay. Oh, move me here. I wanted to show you this pattern this morning. So we got the push down early on, okay, all the way down to the 31 and a quarter on the S&Ps. And then NVIDIA rallied $4 out of nowhere. Okay, Palantir rallied about 6, 7, almost 8, almost about $6.5, $7 off the lows. And then this rally right here, S&Ps ran 40 points. Look at this, in 30 minutes. Now, I was calling shorts there, okay, Artan and everybody in my live stream. We have 1,000?
No.
Oh, 665 here. 665. This is a record for YouTube, okay? If we get to that 1,000, Luke might do something crazy tonight. I don't know. All right, we're already giving away 100. So if you got this push up here, okay, I wanted to show you.
You're like 6, 7
What's that?
A bonus? Like 67 accounts is a bonus?
Oh my God. Luke is on fire. Michael, make this better. I can't see it. Okay, well, I'm moving them out. So anyway, so we got this push up here. And let me just show you the sell divergences, right? Because all my strategies are based upon divergences, right? And I use a 15, a 30, and a 60-minute time frame. But this was a double sell divergence. Not only on the continuous contract, the S&P futures and the NASDAQ futures, also a sell divergence on the underlying ETF, the spiders and the Qs. Now, one of the things I will tell you that when you're trading the markets, right, you cannot trade the markets, whether it's gold, whether it's oil, whether it's S&P, NASDAQ futures, the Russell, the Dow futures, whatever, without looking at the underlying ETFs during the U.S. session. I talked to some of the biggest hedge fund managers in the world who trade intraday and or position trade along the way, okay? So basically, when we got this push up here, you can see the MACDs were negative. The new high is non-confirmation. You tell me if that MACD made a new high. You got overbought into the negative MACDs on the 30 and the 60. And then if you see this again, we got another push up here right around the 12 o'clock. And they got absolutely kabooshed. We were shorting 73s, 74s, 75s. And just in a blink, they dropped to 56 and ultimately made new lows on the day here before ripping up about 40 handles on the S&P. If you look at the spiders here, let me show you another one here. Mike, I got to fix the YouTube. I can't see it.
Steve, can we get a look at your screen, please?
Yeah.
You guys stop touching.
Denny had it.
Which one? This one? That one?
No, I don't know. Whatever you're sharing, sir.
Oh yeah.
He's got to change it.
Then he's got to change it. He's got to.
I don't
Sorry.
know why Denny doesn't like your screen.
Yeah.
All right, he'll get to it.
There you go.
Okay. So I don't know if I have to go back to what I was showing you. Let me go back to the S&Ps then. This was the one. So basically this pattern here today, okay, when they pushed up after the push down to 40 handles, they're making new highs on the day into the negative MACDs, the big selling pressure, the ADXs are rising, pushed down, pushed up again. Every new high was a short. And they got absolutely kabooshed here. Okay, and then if you look here on the spiders, the underlying ETF, the spiders here, okay, hey, somebody's from Indonesia.
That's all South Korea. 안녕하세요.
Okay, Michael, fix my YouTube. 700, Luke, we're 300 away. They're hungry tonight. And then if you look here, you can see the push up on the spiders, the MACD's negative. Where's the market going with this negative MACD, blue over yellow, on the 60 and on the 30? Both times on the overbought conditions. Nowhere. You understand? Oh, these S&Ps were a buy at 58. All right. So basically what we're looking at here, okay, is major sell divergences in the market. So again, as I said on my podcast, if we gap up or we trade higher, let them have them. Let them have them because I thought that the sell divergence were going to halt the rally, and they absolutely did, not once but twice. The second time, they actually pushed down 50 handles lower, down to 24 3/4 on the S&P, and it was an absolute bloodbath until we got some oversold rallies at the end of the day from 25 all the way up to 65, 68. All right. Michael, can you fix this or not?
I fixed it now. You're done the lesson, right?
All right, yeah. So anyway, gold pretty slow here. S&Ps just got deeply oversold on the 15 as I was coming in here. Got down to like that 58 level, just rallied 4. NASDAQ just ran about 15, 18. A lot of people today did very, very well. Again, discipline is the core pattern of trading. You need to have discipline. You got to adhere to stops. You got to really have what you say, hand on the mouse, right? You got to be really, 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 really engaged in the trading. You got to be able to be focused, and you have to see how the markets adjust every way possible, okay? All right. With that being said, we have about 276 before we get to 1,000. At 1,000, can you imagine 1 out of every 10 of you will win a funded account by Luke? Unbelievable. All right. Little buy there, 72 to 76 on the S&P, on the gold futures here. 739, 261 to go. All right. So again, I use 3 time frames in my trading a 15, a 30, and a 60. My algorithm indicator 4 gives me the condition. So 3 time frames, 5 conditions, and then I have 10 strategies. Every strategy is based upon a buy and a sell divergence. Okay, for those of you who are on my TikTok, Instagram, X, and YouTube, you need to go to My Funded Futures in order to participate in this raffle tonight. We're 256 away from Luke having the raffle for 150K core count, and he might be doing something else as well here. Okay, Black Mamba, I love that name. How are you, Black Mamba? Okay, what else? What else here? All right, very slow here. And you know, last night we had about 5 or 6 trades right out of the gate between 8 and 8:15. Tried to get that short in the gold as we were coming on up to 79.30. I think the high here was I think it was like what was the high here? About 78 78.50 was it? 78.50 on the gold. Let me just see here. On this push up here. So 79.10. Missed it by 20 cents. All right. Let's see here. So 256 away. Okay. Remember, we hit 1,000. Okay. Today we got kabooshed and then kabooshed. Absolutely. Absolutely. One big kabooshin today. One really big kabooshin here. Okay. Michael, almost at 800. Wow, look at this, Luke. We're 213 away. I promoted this on my Instagram, my TikTok, my X. So did My Funded Futures. I mean, what prop firm gives away 150K core accounts? Come on, really. And how many firms are really doing this at night, okay? And wanting all of you to be able to trade the markets and be so successful in trading. You know, this is why I do this every day. I want to help people change their lives. I want people to understand that when you're trading should be fun. Yeah, not everything's roses all the time, and sometimes in extreme volatility. As we start seeing now, the volatility is going to start picking up. That every single day, it's a journey, right? And you want to be able to be consistent. When you hit your goal every single day, you stop, and that's it, okay? 800. Oh, my God. 197 away from 1,000. Luke, I think we're going to do it, Luke. What do you think? I think we're going to do it, okay? Okay? I think we're going to do it. All right. If, again, kabooshed. Nothing's kabooshing yet. Okay, so what are we going to do here now? It's pretty slow here on the index futures. So we saw some sharp rallies today off the NASDAQ, the S&P. I think the S&P's probably moved about anywhere about 160 points from the opening down from that point 31 up to 75, 75 down to 24, 24 up to 68. So it's pretty wild, I have to say. Michael, I can't see the numbers. All right. So with that being said here, let's see. Open the stream to multiple devices. Let's see here. All right. Okay. Yes, Matt, we're live. If you are on my TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, X, you need to be on the My Funded Futures. 166 away from 1,000. Oh my God. We hit that 1,000. Luke's going to do the raffle here. Okay, we're going to hit that raffle, okay?
Big raffle, baby.
Big raffle. 1,000 views.
We're doing more accounts.
Oh, my God.
Stop at 100.
Oh, my God.
Today, if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, today is the day to subscribe. You must be a subscriber to win. If you have not liked it, you have not commented, shame on you. We're here having fun.
Yeah, you got to have fun here. You got to have fun here. All right? The name of the game. All right, let's see if this gold can get another big push up here. The MACDs are negative. I'm looking to short the world up here. Okay? 156 to go. 156 to go. All right. How many people like trading the S&Ps over the NASDAQ or the NASDAQ? What is your preference, NASDAQ or S&P? I'm an S&P guy. I love the S&Ps. I love the S&Ps, and I love gold. Okay? I mean, so many people have thanked me in the last 3 weeks and said, thank you for opening my eyes. Look at all these crazy NASDAQ people. Oh, my God. All right. Well, if you're going to trade the NASDAQ, guess what? You better be looking at the underlying ETF, the QQQs, when you're trading, especially with my methodology. Okay, using 3 time frames. The continuous contract, the math is completely different. It's 22 hours and 45 minutes compared to the underlying ETF, which I do regular hours. Okay, which means the regular hours are from 9:30 to 4. All right, 9:34. 141 to go to 1,000. Can you believe it? All right, I love the S&P futures. I literally can tell you that to me, it's the greatest. I mean, I'm just used to it. One of my good friends, Victor Sprandi, old trader Vic, used to trade the big ones. And I'll tell you that the stories he told me back then with the big ones were pretty amazing. Victor is a very endearing friend of mine, okay? 130, 124. Okay, now again, if the people on my TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and X, you need to be on the YouTube channel for My Funded Futures, because once we hit 1,000, the link gets up so you can register to be involved with the raffle, okay? You got to get to 1,000 views to give away 150K core accounts here. Right now, there's nothing going on here in gold or on the S&Ps. So we're 124 away. Artan, get some of your cousins on. Let's go, Artan. I was busting Artan's chops a couple of nights ago. All right. All right. We got to pump it up. Let's go, Boris. Let's do it. All right. All right. So, again, the strategies I look at every single day are based upon divergences. All right. Some really great patterns here. I'm going to show you. Just give me an example. Actually, I'm going to show you Coinbase. Denny, if you could bring up my screen here, I'll show it to you. All right. I can show my screen. Denny, if you can do that for me. Okay. All right. So Coinbase, we're in negative here on the 60-minute and on the 30-minute time frame. And the way my strategy works is based upon using what's called combination methodology. Okay. And if you see here how indicator 4, based upon, first of all, before we do anything, the push up on the opening was a severe short. Okay, right here. On the opening, we had a bunch of shorts on the opening. You can see the high here above 314, got absolutely kabooshed down $8. Why? You're pushing up here. The MACDs are negative on the 15, 30, and 60. It pushes up here. You can see the 15 overbought into the negative MACDs on the 60 and the 30 minute. And then here's the killer one. Ready? Here's the killer short. When the 15-minute time frame reverses to sell, now you're in what's called the negative trend. The 15, the 30, and the 60 are in sell mode. What do you look to do? You short the first bounce on the 15. Coinbase, down 4. Perfect. That's an absolute Picasso. 922, 78 to go. Luke, oh my God, I feel it, Luke. What do you think? Oh my God. 1,000 views on the My Funded Futures gets you 150K core accounts. Let's go. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. X, let's do it. All right, let's do it. 76 trombones, let's go. Let's do it. And anybody who's new that wants to reach out to me, you can reach out to me. My cell phone number is 914-500-7484. Also, I have to tell you, based upon my technical studies, I believe that gold should drop significantly from here, not to the point where it's going to make new lows or anything. I would love to see gold drop anywhere between another 70 and 110, 120 points. The S&Ps, I think, are going to get absolutely kabooshed here. 59 to go. The S&Ps have gaps all the way down to 56.70, but the real big gap is 60.50, 60.30 on the S&Ps. I wouldn't be surprised if we hit that. I think the market, right now, we're up about 15% for the year. 55 to go. And I got to tell you, I think that the way to mark the complacency factor, everybody's all bulled up. The shorts got carried away. And I'll tell you right now, okay, I think we're going to get kabooshed in the next several weeks, all right? So 55 more for the giveaway. Now, there's nothing going on here in the market other than I'm waiting for a push up on the gold. What? 981, Luke. Oh, my God. 90. I got goosebumps, man. I got goosebumps. 1 out of every 10. It's going to hit it. Oh, my God.
I'm excited, Steve.
Oh, my God. I tell you, Alyssa really did a great job. Alyssa, kudos, Alyssa. Alyssa, Michael, even Michael jumped on board here. Nine more. Oh my God. Look at that. What a short on that gold. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Let's go.
If you
9
want a
more.
free account, email burke@myfundedfutures.com.
What was that? Say, I interrupted. Sorry.
You want a free account, email burke@myfundedfutures.com.
Oh my God.
Started early.
Wow. Look at Luke. Oh, 1,006. Congratulations. Woo! That's a record. Damn. That's a record. 25 minutes for 1,000 views on YouTube. Luke, this is a record. A record. Well, we pumped it out. I'll tell you, I promoted this because why? It's because My Funded Futures really wants to give back. I'm telling you, for me to be aligned with people like Luke, Denny, I'm telling you, Matt Leach, the CEO, these are great, great, great people here. Great people. And to be affiliated and to be able to work with them and to see the vision here. And you know what? It gives me a lot of great joy. Every single day from 9 to 4, I give my soul. I give it all for all of you to be successful. So you could have your lives changed, to teach you the technical studies, understand the methodology, and understand the ability to trade and be profitable. But you can't do, some crazy things here. You can't revenge trade. You have to adhere to stops. Because in the end, do you drive a car? Without any brakes? Absolutely not, right? So you got to put brakes on. Look, nobody likes to take a loss, okay? I took a loss on a trade today, okay? And I lost about 2 points on about 20 contracts or something like that. I went right back in, the big ones, that is, okay? But guess what? I went back in, made it back, shorted the 65s, 63s, whatever they were, 62s, 63s, and it got cabooshed down to 58. So you make it back. It's not the end of the world, right? Look at this gold drop, $6. S&P's just dropped 4. All right. So again, being part of something like this is really great. And for me, the number one thing is that you all learn and that you're consistent in your trading and you're able to be. What's that?
I know.
Yeah,
listening.
And it's just really a great, great time to trade the markets. And so many people have switched from trading equities. A lot of people have come to me and said they waved the white flag in trading options. And I said, okay, well, learn futures. I'll teach you. And they come to my live stream. And I'll tell you right now, it's one of the greatest things to be able to see my phone during the day, how people are just texting me on multiple accounts or individual accounts, and able to be successful. That's all I care about. Okay.
And Steve, I just want to take a break for a second to explain to everyone what we're doing here. Every day from 8 to 10 p.m. Eastern, Steve and I are here covering the Asian market open. Steve is the expert. 43 years in the industry. I know he doesn't look a day past 42. I am merely the host. I am the voice of the chat. So if you have questions, we read every single comment. If you want to talk shit about us, we're here for it. It hurts my soul, but, I read it all. And then, of course, to do a couple giveaways. So, again, guys, 8 to 10 p.m. Eastern. We have about a dozen trades per session. Is somewhere around where we've been averaging.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
We're looking at a lot of gold. We're looking at some of the S&Ps.
NASDAQ.
Steve, what else am I missing?
That's it. You know what we should do, Luke? You should put the link in. They can start registering for the raffle, right?
All right.
Okay, so we're going to put the link in. What's that?
Steve, did you know that they must be subscribed to the YouTube channel to be eligible?
Yeah, you guys have to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Luke is going to put the link in so to qualify for the raffle. And again, he's going to give away 150K, 100 accounts, and then he's got something else up his sleeve. Don't ask me, but there's the link. So people on TikTok, people on my TikTok, Instagram, X, YouTube, you need to go to the My Funded Futures YouTube. You need to fill out that form. Heath, I know you're asking me, or everybody from my stream, okay? You really need to fill this out, okay? And then what time are you going to do the raffle, Luke? We should do 50 early, right?
Let's see how it goes. If we're sustaining well above 1,000, we'll do more accounts. Maybe only 6, 7 accounts. We'll see.
Oh, wow. Awesome.
Yes, sir.
All right. So Whew, I'm so excited. 1,000. That's 25 minutes. We hit 1,000. Alyssa, great job, Alyssa. A great job. I had a really great great teamwork, Alyssa, today from My Funded Futures. Great promoting this. And you know why? Because it really means a lot to me that at this stage, when a firm of this magnitude can give away 100 plus accounts in any one night, I don't know what firms do that. I really don't. Okay? Knowing Luke such a long time, this is a great honor for me to be working with him. And also, I got asked to do the My Funded Futures television tomorrow from 12:30 to 1, so you all should be tuning in on that. So that's something new, and I'm really excited about that as well. All right. So, what?
Your Google's frozen. I can't wait till you get this new computer.
All right. So I don't know what that means.
Well, what's wrong, Steve?
I don't know.
He needs a new computer. His Chrome keeps freezing.
No, Michael. I don't know. Michael's mumbling.
Who's saying that?
Michael had too much wine at dinner tonight. I don't know. I can't take it.
It's
Yeah.
true though. He's getting a new computer though.
All right. Michael. All right. Michael had a couple wines in him.
Big giveaway at 1,000 users. Share it, like it, comment. We want to go.
All right. I want to get this push up on gold so I can get short. Oh my God. Come on. All right. S&P's getting kabooshed here. S&P's down 2. NASDAQ down 20. All right. Let's see here. I may take, if you guys want to take along here on the S&Ps, the 30-minute time frames, you may be able to get 1 to 2 handles on this here. You could look to go along maybe like the 53.5, 57.5, 2.5, 6.5 range on the S&Ps. I'll be looking to buy them here. Again, gold, I'm looking for one more push up here to look to get short. Chris Tucker, how are you? Chris Tucker. Okay, Amir. All right, again, you guys need to be here. They got to be here, right, in order to win the prize?
Must be present to win.
Okay, must be present.
To win, that's it.
All right.
Otherwise, it's easy. Life is good.
All right. What's up, Drewski? How are you? Drewski 550. Let's see here. Coach John, how are you? Avis, Alan, Sapita. That's a left fielder's name. Alan Sapita. Love that name. All right, Jip Smith, how are you? All right. So basically what we're looking for now is one more push up here off the 30-minute time frame on the S&Ps. Let's see if we can get one more push up here. I'm dying to short this gold. Just to show you something here. If you look at gold here, okay, on the dailies here, okay, and I'll switch it to the daily. You can see here the daily, right? We should right now we're 82 points from the 10-bar moving average, 91 points before the algorithm reverses to sell. That's just the daily. If you look at the weekly here, okay, we're 282 points. This is a monster bear flag here. I would love to see gold hit the 34.90, 35.5 level. I think that would be a remarkable opportunity. There's no way I don't think gold's breaking 3,000. And then I think if you take the measured move, the next move on gold would be like the 38.70 to 39.50, pull in, and then get one more push up to over 4,000. I think that push in 4,000 comes later in the year or the first quarter of 2026. All right? Okay. Again, anybody have any questions here? Anybody want to learn about the methodology, anything about the charts? So my chart overlay is built on TradingView and on TradeStation as well, just so everybody understand. Again, one of the most important things is using the combination methodology, using the 15 to 30 and the 60-minute time frame. Again, I have 5 conditions. You can have a trend, you can have a buy reversal, a sell reversal, a correlation, and a disconnect. Very, very important. And then of the 5 conditions, each condition has a buy and a sell divergence. So again, basically 3 time frames, 5 conditions, 10 strategies. That's it. Very simple. All right, there's the link again to register, okay, to be able to participate in the raffle. So is it My Funded Futures? It's My Funded Futures YouTube. Yes, My Funded Futures YouTube, okay? All right, gold's only up about $1.80. Again, normally the trades really get going between 8:30 and 8:40, so we'll see what's going on, all right? Jamie Page, how are you, Jamie Page? The Gaming GP, Jerpy, how are you? Can you guys have normal names? Like, we had Emily last night. We have Gary B. We have, Kim A. There, see, Ursa, Amir,
Like the Dazzy,
Peter T. I mean, Ethan. And yeah, look at Ethan. See? Ethan's got a normal name, right? Look at this, right? A normal name. Brandon. There you go. Right? Alfred. There you go. Raphael. All these crazy names. Smoking Mirrors. Come on. What is this? I got Hugo next to me here. Hugo. Hugo. How simple is that? Okay? Okay? Look at him go. Look at him go. Right? Look at him go. All right. All right. Let's see what this gold's doing here. All right. This gold, let's see what the time frame
All right.
is.
And you guys want the link for the free accounts again to register to win the free accounts? Again, we're doing 100 tonight at 1,000 viewers. Maybe 6, 7 more. We'll see.
Wow. Luke is on fire tonight, man. Luke is on fire. Okay, 978. We did hit 1,032 in about 27 minutes. That's damn good. I have to say, damn good. Okay. Okay. Some nights we get anywhere, Michael, what, between 8 to how many? 8 to 18, 19,000 people popping in.
8 to like 20, really.
8 to 20,000 people that pop in amongst all the social medias, coming in, coming out, coming in, coming out. Okay, watching this. And if you guys want a prop firm, okay, a firm that, for me to stand here, really to be associated with My Funded Futures, you got to really understand that in my 43 years, I just don't, link up with anybody, okay? Luke and I go back many years, and when he told me about the fact that he's working with My Funded Futures, and we met in Miami, over the last couple months, and I told him about this opportunity in the night session. He said, let's do it. Let's do it. So here to the end of the year, hopefully longer, but I want to see each and every one of you really succeed. That gives me the greatest joy, really, for all of you to be able to, make $500 a day on 3, 5, 10 accounts. I spoke to a gentleman today. He's got 5 accounts with 4 or 5 different firms. I mean, to me, there's really no greater joy than seeing this and being able, from the standpoint of people really just wanting to change their lives, to be able to be really present and understanding the way the markets work, and to be able to be consistent every single day. And that to me gives me, again, a really great feeling. The questions I get in my member Discord, I have a website, sktrading.live, okay? And for me, there is no greater joy than to wake up every morning, to come here. I'm here from 8 o'clock in the morning till about 5. I do my podcast. Hey, on these S&Ps, if you bought 7.5, just look to sell these at 8 3/4, 9. Okay, nice, really 1.5 points up on the S&P. All right, so right now we are bullish. Okay, I want to show you something. Okay, I want to show you something, and this is exactly what I'm telling you. When you trade the gold during the U.S. session, okay, the GLDs, okay, the GLDs reverse to buy on the 15, the 30 minute, you can see right here. But you see this high here, okay? You see this high right here? That was when gold was trading around the 83, 84 level. And I was looking to short, we were looking to short it right before the market closed here. It was like around 3 o'clock. And if you see this pattern pushing up on the overbought condition into the negative MACD, look at this bear flag. Bear flag right here. So you're getting overbought into the negative MACD on the 60-minute time frame. And so one of the things I said today was the 60-minute time frame is going to halt the market on the upside. Microsoft, boom, kabooshed. Okay, if you look at Microsoft on the highs here today, if I can get it up here, Microsoft right here, you can see the 60-minute time frame pushed up right here. You can see, Denny, can you go to my chart? If you can, thank you. Microsoft pushed, thank you. Microsoft pushed up right here. You can see 510, boom, got kabooshed right here into the negative MACD, right here on the 60-minute. I'll show you Palantir, PLTR, another one pushed up here right after the opening. What a great short, 183, got absolutely kabooshed and even got more kabooshed and even more cabooshed all the way down, dropped about 6.5, 7. Okay, and then, like I said, if you look at the spiders, okay, the push up here into these negative MACDs. So these negative MACDs on the 60-minute time frame really halted the market to the upside. And so when I walk through that door every single day, my mind's completely blank. Completely blank. And what I like to do is when I walk in, the first thing I think of is there an 8:30 number or a 10 o'clock number? Is there any news, any economic news at 8:30 or 10 that's going to affect the market? CPI, PPI, retail sales, employment number, durable goods, GDP, you name it, right? Housing starts, whatever. The 7 or 8 that there are, 7 or 8 of us out there. Okay. Then the second thing I do is any stocks that are going to affect the market in any way, up and or down. Okay. Third, I go stock by stock, stock by stock, stock by stock, and I look, or index and index, or ETF, I look at what is the condition on the 15, the 30, and the 60-minute time frames. If you see MACDs negative like this, then if you go back to my chart, sorry to bother you like that. If you go back here, okay, you could use NinjaTrader. The problem with NinjaTrader is very difficult to get equity data. Okay, you could use it, and again, if you're going to trade stocks, that's going to be a problem. If you're going to trade index futures, you need to look at the underlying ETF, and it's very difficult. That's why a lot of people use TradingView and or TradeStation. Okay, all right. Robin Espin, how are you, Robin? Okay, all right. Now you see here, okay, on the push up, all right, right after the opening today, I said short the world, okay? When we gapped up and they dropped. The Qs, the spiders, Palantir, Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, a lot of names had the same type of pattern. Coinbase, okay? I mean, when you start analyzing and walking in, I'm like, okay, so the theory is, okay, the MACDs are negative on the 30 and the 60. The MACDs are negative, very big here, blue over yellow. Okay, if we gap up, I say let them have them, right? Let them have them, right? Okay, all right, okay. And so this is how the mindset's got to be, okay? All right, the S&P's just rallied about $1.75. I would be out. What is the QQQ? It's the exchange traded fund for the NASDAQ 100, okay? So some people like to trade the individual name stock or an ETF. It's a basket of 100 stocks in the NASDAQ, okay? It's 100 stocks in the NASDAQ, all right? SPY is 500 stocks in the S&P. The IWMs are 2,000 stocks that make up the basket for the ETF. And the DIA is a Dow 30. It's 30 stocks in the underlying ETF, okay? Boy, gold's a sleeper tonight. I knew it when I walked in, that one short, boom, okay? All right, so right now, the condition on gold, you are bullish on the 15, the 30, and the 60-minute time frame, but these negative MACDs on the 15, I would have to say that I'm looking for a push up and then looking for a push down, okay? Again, those of you who are, since we hit the 1,032, we're going to be giving away, Luke is actually, 100 accounts tonight, 150K core accounts, and you need to register. So I want to hear it. I'm just telling you now, people on my Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, X, wherever. I don't want to hear it that you guys didn't fill out the raffle form, okay? Because Luke posted it like 5 or 6 times. Okay, did you sign up for it?
Yeah, I will now.
All right, hurry up, Hugo. Look at Hugo. He's asleep at the wheel over here. It's killing me. All right. It's 100 accounts. Okay. It's 100. You get the link? It's in the YouTube. Okay. All right. Whew. Wow. Very quiet tonight. Jesus. I mean, we had a Jewish holiday on Tuesday and Wednesday. One S&P trade. Tried to short the gold. And then let's just see what's going to happen here. All right. Well, obviously we'll see some fire. So I mean, what was it? Tuesday night, I think. Everything got going around 9:10, 9:15, right after the Chinese market opened. Okay, Baxter W, how are you?
I'm
It's okay. Better opportunity. But also Friday. No, there's some great opportunities tonight here. You just gotta be patient. One of my five key words is patience, right? Consistency, discipline, confidence, patience, and passion. Okay, just gotta wait. Okay, Audrey Fletcher, how are you? Okay, Robin Espinilla. All right. Okay, and Fabian, how are you? Ron Weitzman, how are you? SK Trading. Christian B, where's the link? You got to scroll up to YouTube. It's in there to register. You got to scroll in, okay? And again, anybody new here that wants to participate in my live stream every day, my website's sktrading.live, and I do return everybody's phone call or text, okay? My cell phone number is 914-500-7484. I'd like to talk to you, see how I can help you get back on track. And for me, it's really about one thing. It's about all of you being successful, okay? Again, if you didn't sell the S&Ps here, I'd be scaling out here at 59 and a quarter, a half. Just rallied 2 points. NASDAQ really couldn't get going here. I like the pattern more on the S&Ps than on the NASDAQ. I want to see this gold get a push up here. So when we walked in, the first thing I saw on the gold, okay, if Denny can go back to my chart one more time, is when I walked in, I saw the gold pushing up. I said, look to short the gold, 79.30 to 81.30, 82.30, scaling to the short, and it got up to 79.10 before it got kabooshed, about $8 there. Now you see this here? This is called a pencil down. Denny, can you go back to my chart? Sorry. 992. Vasil, how are you? Okay, Floyd's the garage. Can you explain how you watch the ETF with the futures? Well, yes. I mean, I have my charts open dynamically. I have the S&P futures here on the 3-minute separately, the 515 next to the spiders on the 515, and then over here I have the S&P futures on the 30 and 60 and the underlying ETF on the 30 and 60. Again, I taught this to one of the biggest hedge fund managers in the world. And he said, how did you figure this out? That's what he said to me. I said, well, the math is not the same. I think I'm frozen on something.
Google.
On Google? Okay.
Need that new computer.
And but I'm live, right?
Yeah, you still.
Okay. So anyway, you see this here? This is why I called it short, because the 15-minute MACDs are negative here. Okay, but I missed it by 20 cents. But let me just show you this. You see this? This is called the pencil pattern right here. 88 to 77. That's $11 drop. Normally, I always say to people, if I see something like that, okay, there's the link right above your head. Okay, here's the link again. Okay. Oh, Luke, look what they said. They want 20 more accounts at 1,200. Oh my God, they're getting greedy. That's insane. Okay. If you look here, you can see that when you get this pushed down like this here, and anytime it rallies up within it, okay, I always call shorts on those type of patterns. Okay. And then when it got kabooshed here, okay, you can see the nice little short right into the 10 bar. All right. Nice little short into the 10 bar. On the 83, it drops down to 79. Okay. But here, let's go here. Let's see, looking at the gold here. Okay. Right here when we came in, you see this kabooshin? This is a kabooshin right here. So gold here dropped about 8. Okay. And then look at this beautiful bear flag, 74. Drops down to 70. And then you get another nice short here. And then we came on, boom. And this is where I went to short, 79.30. The high was 79.10. Okay? All right? Okay, 1,034. Luke, they want another 20 if we hit 1,200, Luke. That's up to you, good buddy. Luke's watching Thursday Night Football somewhere. Who's playing, by the way? Seattle and who? The Cardinals? That's not a good game. Jesus. I'd rather watch the Cartoon Network. No way. Okay. Let's go. Let's do this. All right, this gold. All right. So when the Chinese market opens, is gold going to rally or is gold going to get kabooshed? Denny, what's the sound for a kabooshin? Denny, you got a sound for a kabooshin? I don't know. No. What the hell? That's the worst kaboosh sound I've ever heard in my entire life. You got to go back.
Spell that, Steve. Is it
Kabooshed. Luke, look, I even brought the T-shirt in. That's got to K-A-B. Here, ready? It's right here. Kabooshed. Okay, kaboosh.
K-A-P-U-S-S?
No, Kabooshed. It's right there. Kaboosh. Okay, I'm gonna send you a T-shirt, Luke. Okay, to send me your address. All right, and we're gonna get my Funded Future T-shirts for Kaboom and Kaboosh set up here. Okay, now, but Benny, that's the worst kaboosh sound I ever heard in my entire. You got to go back to the drawing board on that one. Really, I almost had a stroke on that one. Really. Okay. All right. You got to get the sound of a bear, roar, like that or something. You know, you got to get a sound of a bear. Okay. Or that's how and a bull, you got to get like a grunting sound of a bull charging or something. All right. So just give Denny, right? What do you guys agree on that one, right? All right. All right. I think that's more animated, right? What do you think? All right. Let's see if this gold can get another push up. Gold just rallied 5 off that push down. Again, all 3 time frames are bullish. I'm going to see if we can get a pop here. Jimmy Dean, 1,000. Luke, they want another 20 if we hit 1,200. That's up to you, good buddy. Not up to me.
Steve, would you be shocked to learn that I was the originator of that idea?
Of what? Kabooshed?
I'm planting my flag. Another 20 at 1,200.
All right. Oh, wow. Look at that. Luke just threw another 20 if we hit 159 more. That's insane. That'll be 120 giveaways. Do you sign up?
Of course.
All right. You goes on the ball. All right. You goes on the ball. Andrew Knapp, did you guys sign up? Everybody for my live stream here? Come on. Enough is enough. All right. We got the Chinese market going to open in about 8 minutes, and there should be some action here on that. Does anybody, look at this, anybody, what do you think? When the Chinese market opens, up or down? I say up. I say up.
Up.
Up. Hugo says up. Okay, make us some money. Hey, Luis. See, Luis has got an easy name. Luis, right? That push down to 70 was really nice. That was into the positive MACDs there. Okay. Let's see here. 1,042. Okay. I say down. I say up, up. I'm going with up. I'm going with up. 158 more for an extra 20 more free ones. Okay. Okay. All right. S&P's rallied 2. So that's so far as an S&P trade. Okay. I want to see if we got to push up to new highs. There was a high here. 82. I think gold could rally here based upon the fact that there's a lot of underlying strength. Even though we're not looking at the ETFs, but I think that gold. But overall, if you look at the daily time frame here, I am very bearish here. You may get, this might be like a mini bull flag for one more push up, and then I think they get absolutely kabooshed here. Okay, you can see gold 3660, boom, 160 points there. 1,039, gold pushing up. Let's just see if we get a push up here. Max 1705, 3792. Wow, you're really bullish. You think gold's going to rally $16 on the Chinese market? Woo! Well, gold is bullish on the 15, 30, and 60, but we'll see. S&P's still pushing up here. Nasdaq just could not get going here. I chose to buy the S&Ps on that one only because look at the 30-minute time frame on the S&Ps here. When the S&Ps were trading 57 and a quarter, look at the 30-minute time frame. Oh my God, look at this. The 30-minute, look at this. 57 and a quarter, oversold, positive MACD. But again, you still have selling pressure here. Okay, this ain't like one of the biggest patterns here. Okay, all right, up 3,000 on my gold. Woohoo, Aaron, I love you, Aaron. Good job, Aaron. You bought that pullback on the 5. Aaron, right here. When I was talking, the pullback on the 5 on the gold. Aaron, I'm very proud of you, Aaron. Very proud of you. Aaron's been with me for what, over a year now, Aaron, I believe. Oh, I would die. If this Chinese market was coming out, I'd be short. Do you buy it right here, Aaron, on this pullback on the double blue? Aaron? Yep, off the 5. See, Aaron, good job, Aaron. Great job. Aaron, if anything happens to me, I leave this 2 hours to you. Aaron really knows my system very, very well. I'm very proud of him. Very proud of him. Okay? All right. So, the double blue. Right. Kaboom. Ethan. See? Ethan's got it. Kaboom. There you go. 1,025. Guys, if you want another 20 giveaway, look at the S&P's up 3. If you want another giveaway, you need to be 120, 175 more, 172 more, and Luke's going to give away 20 more. That's insane. He's already guaranteeing 100 free accounts. That's insane for a prop firm. You tell me what prop firm does that? Oh, this gold. Let's go. S&P still pushing up. Nasdaq starting to wake up. Just valued about 7 or 8. Okay. No other prop firm alike. I got it. See, Luke? See the comments? There's no other prop firm like My Funded Futures.
All right, baby. We're looking for 1,200 viewers, and we'll get another 20 accounts out there. Woo! All you have to do is another 30 accounts out there. It's a big one. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, now is your chance. You must be subscribed to the channel to be eligible to win. If you have not yet liked the stream, like it. If you haven't shared it, share it. We're trying to set a record tonight.
Look,
He's
so
calling out trades. I'm calling out numbers. Let's try to get it.
oh, I was short this goal. So somebody just sent, my friend Heath just sent me a roaring bear. I just sent it to Denny. I think that's a good one, Denny. That's a good one. Denny, you get it? All right. 165 more. Look at this. Look at these S&Ps push up. The Nasdaq finally woke up. That's that 30-minute time frame. Anybody get long the S&Ps there? Okay. Fill the gap at 780. What, on gold? It could, but I don't see any gap at 780. I think in another 3 minutes, gold's gonna should push up. Okay, should push up. 159 more for 20. This is the record, 1,042. Okay, Alyssa, I want to say, Luke, a special thanks to Alyssa. Your social media content. Her and I worked together, and I said, Alyssa, we got to get to 1,000. She said, no problem. Consider it done. Right? Unbelievable. Great job, Alyssa. Okay. Yes, 100 on the ES. Good job, Ursa. Ursa made 100 on the ES. Okay. Okay. All right. Everybody, look at all the love for you, Luke. Luke, I love you, Luke. I love you, Luke. Look at this. Oh, my God.
Let me say this. I love you guys, too.
Yeah.
And I mean it. I mean, I get to do a job in a role that's a dream for me. I get to learn, I get to meet amazing people every single day. That's something else that I think sets us apart from a lot of prop firms. I mean, we're real people.
Yeah, no, I agree.
We do not just build in isolation and tell you guys what the world looks like. We do it together. We really do love our audience. And that's what, that's what's helped us to build a firm with such a big following so quickly.
Yeah, no, I agree. I've been doing this 43 years, and, when you get to work with people like Luke, and you see they have the same mindset, the same love to really work with people every single day. I meet people all around the world. I take everybody's call. Some people, I spend sometimes 5-10 minutes on and never hear from them ever again. But it doesn't make a difference to me, because to me it's a great, I love doing what I do. I can't see myself doing anything else, to be bluntly honest with you. I can't. I just hope the good Lord gives me many more years to do this. And I just want to tell you that every single day when I wake up, the first words out of my mouth, I say, thank God. I love what I do. I live about 10 minutes away from here, 8 to 10 minutes away, depending on the traffic. I love coming in here. This is my sanctuary, okay? And when 60 Minutes wanted to do a 1-hour special on me, they said to me, what's the hardest part of the day? I said, going through that door and leaving. They said, come on, you're kidding me. I said, nope. They said, what's the easiest part of the day? I said, trading now. Get out. I told them. So that's the true story. Okay? I didn't want to be on 60 Minutes. I didn't want to have anything to do with it. I was probably, at the time, one of the biggest day traders in not just the United States, but in the world. And I have to tell you that I just sat in a little office with 2 other people, actually a pretty big office, in Rockland County, New York. And I just could not wait to get to work every single day. All right, Chinese market just opened up here. Let's see if we get a push up to the 83 level. Let's see if we get a push up here. What a rally, Aaron. What a rally on the gold. They're going to push up here on the gold. Let's see. All right. Sell divergence is here. Can the gold get to 82.5, 83.5 range? I'd be looking to put some out up there. I would go to micros because the trend is still bullish on the 15, 30, and hourly. Oh, they just drop and hit 80 and just drop 1. Okay. NASDAQ bullish. No, NASDAQ's kind of bearish with the negative MACDs. Oh, geez. Gold just got hit 80. Okay. 80.5. I like this with 80.2. Not over yet. I still see 81.5, 83 here on the gold. Okay. Mohammed, how are you? 1,039. At 161 more, Luke's got 20 more. 20 more to go. 20 more. This gold is going to go. Come on. 80, if it gets to 80.5, it's going to fly, I think. Okay. Aaron, you still long, Aaron? Aaron, you still long? Aaron? Come in, Aaron. Come on, 80, 30. This thing, I think this thing's got 80, 81.5, 83 written all over it. Kevin Long, good job. I just got kabooshed. I'm dying to short this thing, though. If it gets up there, I don't want to short it here and then get run over. 80.3, dropped 1. Okay. S&P's just dropped 3. Okay, really focusing on this gold here. Okay. So gold just ran about 9 here. Okay. Come on, gold, get up to that 80. I'd love to see 83.5, 85, really. If we can get a real big spike up against these non-confirmations here. Up $91 tonight on the first day. A sim funded. Commander Roberto, great job. Oh, jeez, this got kabooshed. Jesus. All right. Oh, man. Come on. Give me a push up on the gold. S&P's down 3. NASDAQ just dropped 12. S&P's just dropped. Oh, come on, gold. Jesus. All right. Damn it. All right. It's not over yet. All right. 146 to go. 146 to go for the raffle, for the giveaway. Okay. Jesus, gold's going to drop 3 here. S&P's just dropped 4. I knew to short it up there. I thought we were going to get a push. I thought it was going to happen like on Monday when it pushed up, boom, and then it dropped like 8. You know what I'm saying? All right. We got to get the likes up too. Come on. It's not over yet. Here we go. Come on. Come on, gold. Give me that 83.5, 85 range, 82.5, 85 range. Let's go. Let's see if it gets up there. Oil just got kabooshed. S&P's just dropped 4. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. 80. I've got to get to 81. It's got to get to that 81 level. All right. 81 level. Unbelievable. Beautiful pattern. Okay. So I want to show you the GLDs from today really quick. It just keeps stopping at this number. 80.30. Jesus. Watch I go 80 and it runs to 84. I'll kill myself. Look at this. All right. 135 for an extra 20. Michael, get ready if it flies. Pushes up. I'm going to short this thing. Gold up 8. Jesus, it's like torture. Steven, go long? Cereal? Nah, I'm not. I don't think so. I see the negative MACDs on the 15. I'm not really comfortable with that, really. I mean, Aaron caught the long on the push down on the 5 around 70 and a half. I may have to do, I'm actually thinking about my own giveaway here. I just got to figure it out to, here we go, to a free month of sktrading.live. I got to figure out how to do that. Here we go. If this gold gets up to the, I would say the 81.80 to 84.80, or you go 82.80 to 85.80, I would look to short this gold. Okay? Are you long? No. I'm not doing anything. Okay? I'm not doing anything right now. I'm looking to get short if it goes higher. Here we-
82s?
Yeah, go 80, go 80. Oh, Jesus Christ. Let's go. Go 8180, go 83s, go 8380s up there. Oh, come on. Just got kabooshed. This is a bear flag and a half. Here we go, 81s. This could fly here. 8180s, get up there. All right. 8140. Come on. Boom. 8180, 82. I told you it's going to go there. Told you. Told you. Okay, go to 8280s. Mm-hmm. Cover 81 and 81 and a halves.
Order filled.
Okay, short the highs. What was the high? 8280? Did I sell the 8280s? 8260?
Yeah.
Jeez, I missed it by 20 cents. All right. I told you it was going to go. Told you it was going to go up there. I saw it. Okay. Just leave the 8280s up there. Oh, my back. All right. They're going to go. Go 8280, 80, 8380. Actually, go 8280 and then go 8380. We'll just see what that looks like right now. I think it's still going to. I think it's going to go to 85. I think it's going to go to 85. I really do. So cover 8210s. Okay. $82.10, $83.80s. Cover $82.30s. Look at this goal. I told you this goal was going to go. I told you this goal was going to go. I told you this goal was going to go. 82.30s cover. Michael.
8210, right?
82.10. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. There you go. Damn. There you go. There you go. There you go. Did I sold the 82.80s, 83s?
Nah, you didn't get 8380, you got 8280.
I covered this goal below 82 if you're short.
You're still offering 8380.
I never got filled?
No.
What was the high?
83.5.
83 and a half? Damn. Damn. I told you this goal was going. Did I tell you this goal when it was trading 78 and a half? I told you going to 83. 82 and a half, 83. Okay. Ryan Nichols, great job. 130 on that. Ruko, how are you? That's it, baby. That's it. That's it. All right, Candy offer 83.80. I think it's still going to go to 85. I'm telling you. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
No offers, no bids.
Nope, that's it. 500 on that. Damn straight. Elevated charts. Can you have a normal name, please? Elevated charts, please. I beg of you, elevated charts. Okay. Gold, if you're short, look to cover below 82. Okay. $1,000K. Good job. Good job. Good job. 1,084. Oh my God, gold just got. Where's Denny on the caboose sound?
Come on, Danny.
No, that's not it. Denny, you had 30 minutes to give me a roaring bear. I just sent you my friend Heat sent me this is the worst caboose. I got chest pains. I can't take that, Denny. Oh my God. Oh my God, you're short at 9.
Some more people are asking for the link to the giveaway form.
All right, let's put it out there. Oh my God, Denny.
Sounds like
That sounds like a sick bear in the woods.
Sounds like Roblox.
It sounds like who?
Roblox, like the.
Oh my! What the hell's it? Look at this cabooshin'. What'd you make on that?
A micro's $12.
Don't talk to me the rest of the night. $12.
I gotta go full then.
Wait, what does he mean $12?
I don't know. He's trading micros. Will you step up to the plate and trade the big ones?
Are you giving me permission?
Yeah, you have permission.
Thank
Jesus, look at this gold. Oh my God. So I said the whole time, I thought we were going to get a push up to 82 and a half, 83. The 15-minute MACD is non-confirmation. Okay? Unbelievable. 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 Okay? Unbelievable. That's how you trade. This is what I teach every single day. Okay? Michael, Jock, Pran, did you guys get short? Fran, everybody in my community. Come on, guys. Let's go. Aaron, okay, my TikTok. All right. Sell or buy. Glow Beauty. I said short. I didn't say buy. Okay. Caught the short, Aaron. Aaron's on fire. Denny, where's Denny? Denny, you get that short, Denny. Are we going to go 12? Denny, we're going to go 12
I might have gotten the short. He's not making the sounds happen.
Who?
I called Denny today, too. He didn't take my call.
Just made 400. Just made 300. Look at this. Got the short. Take note. Can you get a normal name? Take note, Marvel. Really? I can't take these names. I'm too old for this. Victor Piera.
Can we celebrate, Steve, by picking the first 10 winners?
10? I want to first, before we do that, I need to hear a new caboose sound, and I need to know if Denny got that short. Did Denny, you get that short? Denny's quiet.
I don't know.
Denny, stop watching Thursday Night Football, Denny. Okay? Stop watching Thursday Night Football. Oh, my God. Denny, I need a caboose. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, that's beautiful. Who is that just now? Marlon. There you go. 378 on how many accounts? On 5 accounts? I can't see. I can't see, Marlon. All right. Great job, everybody. $1,100. Denny made $1,100.
How did you know that?
He just posted in the chat, in the YouTube chat.
All right. I like to hear his voice. He's got a beautiful voice. For those of you who don't know, Denny and Hugo are the two most masculine men I've ever met.
Hold on. Michael Pitts just sent me a bear. Look at this. Michael, let's hear what Michael Pitts just sent me. Let's see if we should use this.
All right, let's hear it.
I like that. I like that sound. That's a little growl, though. I'll get a bear sound, for Christ's sake. When they say you want to do something, you got to do it yourself, right? Thank you, Michael Pitts, though. Okay? Gold just got absolutely caboose, $8, and I don't even have a bear sound yet. Jesus. Hold on, let me see. Bear growl.
All right, Steve, I'm picking the first 10. 90 more to go after this, all right?
All right, let me get a bear sound. All right. Are you guys, wait, before we do that, are you guys signed up here? Are you guys signed up? Okay, I want to hear it, Luke, because people will say, "Oh, I never signed up. You guys are not fair." Blah 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 blah. I can't take it. You know? Okay.
Exactly. You must be a subscriber on this YouTube channel to be eligible to win.
And you got to be here, and you got to fill out the link. Okay, Michael, find me a bear growl. Hurry up. Do something.
All right, there's 2. Number 2, Billy. Again, we're doing the first 10 right now.
1,100. What a short.
12, 20 bonus account. Hipster.
Pipster.
The wheel is fun, isn't it, Steve?
Oh, I love this.
Everybody likes the wheel. 4 is Joey. The normal name, Steve. Joey.
There you go.
And I want to ask the chat, if you've made money tonight, will you please drop a 1 in the chat? I want to see where people are at. Deanna, 5 more to go. There we go. I'm seeing it.
Oh my God! Look at this gold. I had it right to the
Brandon, 6. 4 more to go in this first pass. You only got 90
Oh my
more to
God.
go. We're not going to waste your time spinning the wheel for all 100, okay? Because we got other ways to pick them. But the wheel is fun, especially for the first 10. Travis, 3 more, Steve. 3 more, all right? I'll stop hogging your show in a minute.
All right.
Let's see it. Mohammed, 2 more to go.
This gold's getting out.
1 more. First 10, 90 more to go.
There you go.
1,200.
Wow, we're 85 away from an extra 20. Look at this gold, $9, $10.
Woo.
This is a cabooshin.
Those are the first 10. You get back to it. I'll stop interrupting.
No, that's unbelievable. Gold just dropped 10. You see how the divergences work? That sounds like a bear that's about to go into labor. All right, you're fired. Don't do that. That just made me ill. I'll do it myself. Okay? Enough is enough. Michael had too much wine tonight. Enough. I invite the kid out to dinner, and he has 2 glasses of wine, and he's all messed. He's all shangad in the head. Forget it.
Offered him the glasses.
I know I offered him that. I said to myself, "What am I doing? This kid's gonna be retarded by the time 9 o'clock rolls around." Okay, you're banned. You're banned. Let me do this. Leave me alone right now. Okay, I'll find this out. All right. That sounds like a bear in labor. Forget it. Forget it. Bear sound. Okay, I'll do a bear sound. Let me see. What happened to Denny? Denny watching Thursday Night Football? I want a roar. Where's a roar? Let me hear. Caution. Of course, caution.
In this video, we're going to
Oh, this guy's a moron. Hold on. Let me see.
Imagine you're hiking alone.
No, I'm not hiking alone with a bear. No. No. Oh my God. How hard is this? That's it.
That's not bad, right?
That's not bad.
That's pretty good.
That made me jump out of my skin.
Yeah.
I love that one, Michael. Send that to Denny. Okay, now you got to find me a bull snorting or something. All right, that was pretty fun there. Okay, sounds like oh wait, he's right. It might sound like a wolf. Hold on, I got to rethink this one. That might sound like a wolf.
I think you need a lion.
No.
Isn't it
Oh
like
my
a lion?
God, this kid, a lion. Please, with these Gen Z kids, I can't take it. Oh my God. All right, 92 to go for an extra 20. Look at anybody still short the gold? Oh my God. Working to pass just made 237. Fabas Hen. Good job. 90 more to go. What a cabooshin on the gold. I tell you, one of my favorite in the world to trade. Okay. Search for violent bear growl. Oh my God, he's right. Search for violent bear growl. Leave it to one of my guys in my stream to figure this out. Okay. All right. Anybody still short? Another 219. Set up to explain. 2R. I showed it 2R. I said if gold pushes up, Denny, can you bring me back to my screen so I can show him the chart, please? I said even though I'm in a bullish trend on the 15 to 30 and the 60-minute time frame. Denny, can you bring me back to my chart, please, Denny? Plan 0, Bosman, up, 110.
Can you get the chart up, please, sir?
I don't know where Denny is.
I don't know what Denny.
The chart is up. It's up on our screen.
No, I don't see
All right,
it.
we got it up now, Steve.
You can see it? Michael, what's going on? Forget that sound. Michael, what's going on
Gotta
here?
lock in and trade.
Michael, where?
We want 6-7 good trades today.
I know, Michael, where's my thing here?
What?
Stop with the sound. I'm showing you something. I can't show my screen here.
Michael,
What are you
please
talking
learn.
about?
I want to
Oh,
show
you
my
want your
chart. I want
charts?
get with the program. Oh my God, these Gen Z kids. Oh my God. Look at my man Heath. Let's see, who is this? Okay, somebody's asking me on the side. Look at this gold. Oh my God almighty. All right, if you want to take a scalp long only on the gold, I'd look to go 67.30, 70.30 range on the gold if you get one more push down here. Okay? All right? And again, I would probably use micros on this one. Okay, so here's the pattern. Okay? Here's the pattern. So we waited patiently for the Chinese market to open. Tunar. Okay? And how could you lose 500 on gold? Menu, how could you lose 500 on gold? Are you out of your mind? I called a range. Okay, the stop was like 86. Okay, you guys, you have to learn how to scale in and scale out. Menu, if you want to call me 914-500-7484. I was looking for shorts. Okay, I was waiting very patiently. I said 82, 83, 81.80. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna stop yourself out up 50 cents on gold? What are you, crazy? This is an animal, this thing. All right? You guys have to learn how to trade these commodities very aggressively here. Okay? So here, when I said to short the gold on the highs, and I waited patiently, okay, you have to learn how to scale into a trade. You can't just do a single lot entry and then stop yourself out up, $1. If you have to, the first thing you have to do is recognize, is it a pattern or a scalp? How many contracts you want to do? Are you going to trade the big ones or are you going to trade the micros? Okay, all right. The second thing you're going to do is then decide is it going to make a new high or a lower high, a new low or a higher low. So Manu, I don't even know what you're doing. 29 stumps up 750 gold. I would cancel the bid here. Well, might be too late, but all right. Again, on the gold, I would use micros here. Okay. So here you're pushing up to new highs, Tunar. Okay. All right. I know. Even with clear instructions, sell this gold above 71 if you bought it. I would sell it. Okay. Look here. The new high here. The non-confirmation, did that MACD make a new high? I mean, come on. How in God's creation can you lose money? I'm calling a pattern a trade, okay? 98% of the people here made money. I'm not trying to pick on you, but I just don't understand the mindset. You can't do single lot entries. You have to already know how many contracts you want to sell, right? Okay? All right, Urza, I'd be careful here, Urza, okay? If you want to buy the gold again here, it's just down about 14 off the highs. You could look to probably buy 65.80, 68.80 on the gold. If it pushes, 60, 65, 66, where is this thing trading? I'd probably go like 60, 66.10, 69.10 on the gold if it pushes down. Okay, you cannot lose money when you're scaling in and scaling out. You put your stop in. So if I call a range 81.80 to 84.80 or 82.80 to 85.80, your stop's 87.80. Okay? You can't stop. You can't do single line entries, go in, boom, 5 contracts, and stop yourself out at $1.50 higher. It's not going to happen. Okay? You got to see the way we scale in and how I taught so many people in my live stream and how it's changed their lives in learning how to scale in and scale out of trades. It's just unbelievable, okay? It's just unbelievable, all right? You can't do that, okay? It's impossible, all right? It's impossible. If this gold gets up to the 69.80, 71, I'd be looking to scale out of any longs here. There you go, right back up, okay? Right back up, right back up, all right? Right back up, all right? So again, you need to be able to learn how to trade the market, all right? And you cannot do single lot entries. Look at this gold. You long?
I was for a little.
All right. We should have bought that though. Non-confirmation, the 5 didn't confirm the low, right? Hugo, you're right there, right?
Right.
Okay. Does Forex gold grab? I don't even know what that means. You want to look at like the pound dollar or anything like that? Good job, Heath. My main man Heath. He made $850 last night, $1,100 today. I have a memory like an elephant. Okay? Okay? And I'm just trying to, okay? Gotta learn, Hugo, right. What's this? Made another, look at this. Look at this. Where's Menu? Where's Menu? Okay? Look at this, Menu. Okay? Here. Ani made 200, 788 now on one funded account. Okay? Okay, Rocco, 300. Let's go. Manu, you can't do single lot entries. I'm not singling you out. Okay? All right? I'm not singling you out. Okay, 136 for an extra 20. Okay?
All right, can I do the next 10?
Yeah, I was going to say, let's do the next 10.
With the wheel, I'll save everyone the time of the wheel shortly after this, okay? I want to do 10 more with the wheel. The wheel is fun. We're having some good energy tonight. We want to get to 1,200. We want to be the biggest stream. We bring you the energy. We bring you the ideas. I promise you, no other Asia Open stream is bringing this many ideas. Promise. How's that, Steve?
You're right.
There's 2. Pain. Again, if anybody wants to go into the Discord and say Luke's doing a great job, you can do that too. Just,
Luke's doing a great job.
There. Dan Trades number 3.
Dan Trades. There you go, Dan Trades.
Has he been asking?
No, he's been asking for a while.
All right, there you go.
Can we get 1,000 likes? We gotta get 1,000 likes too.
Wild berries. All right, we're about to get to number 5, the halfway point. We're getting there. Let's see it. Tyler, number 5.
I would take another long on this goal. 5.5, 8.5. Use a 63.5 stop if it gets down there.
All right, this is the 6th winner, Steve. Andy, there's another normal name for you.
Andy, good job, Andy.
All right. And what are y'all up today? If you're up money, whether it's a
Oh, wow, look
live
at it go.
account, sim account,
You buy him?
email account, I want to know what is everybody up. We got 3 more to go. I'm seeing Denny up 1,200. That's nice.
Look at this gold rally. Oh my God, $3.
All right, Steve, what are you, long, short, flat?
Well, they should be long on this. Again, if you pushed up, you should be scaling out of longs here. Up 600. Good job. Oh my God, look at this. 113 for 20 more. Look at this gold. $3. The non-confirmation you go. See that?
David 2.8K, Dozy minus 1,000, Amir 110, Mandingo 6.7, SP4 550. I mean, it's rocking and rolling. 1690 is winner time. 20 given away so far. 80 more to go.
Wow. And if we hit 124 more, Luke's gonna give it 20 more away. That's insane, guys. Listen, my fund the future is really committing this much, 100 free core accounts. Come on, right? You see the moves here, okay? I've been doing this 43 years. I stream every day from 9 to 4. I'll be on My Fund the Futures tomorrow from 12. My Fund the Futures TV from 12:30 to 1:30. And I have to tell you, it gives me great joy to do this. Possibly I'll even do it on Monday and Fridays. We're still talking, but tomorrow definitely for sure. But again, one of the greatest things is to be able to understand the methodology, the trading, to be confident. Everything I do is based upon technical analysis. And guess what? It's really a great joy. I love it. And now I just want to teach all of you to be successful. Learn the strategies, learn the ability to trade, hit your goals every day, and help your families do well. Think of this. You have 5 funded accounts. You make $500 a day. Look at this gold. Right back up again. Okay, what was the low? 68 on that? 68 was 68.5. You go. Tell me you bought it. 68.20 again. If you bought the gold at 68.5, I'd sell above 70.5, 70, 80, 71s here. Okay? I said look to buy.
Steve, I just want to remind people that if you want to win a free account, you must subscribe to this channel.
You really have to. Absolutely.
Subscribe to the channel. Now is your chance. We're going to cut off entries in a little bit here.
Ace Mendoza, can you explain a funded account? Oh boy. All right. Maybe Luke can take that one on.
Take on anything you want, Steve.
They're asking, can you explain what's a funded account?
All right. So I'm going to put a link in the chat. Okay, and you're going to
Look at this
check
gold.
out
Come here, long.
SK.
Figure it out.
Link
Big
is
one?
there.
No,
Code
you said
SK.
count it,
You get 50% off any evaluation if you're a new user. You get buy one, get one 25% off if you're an existing user. And what you are buying is what we call an evaluation. You've got 2 days. You can take it as long as you want, but as short as 2 days to show good trading patterns, to show success trading. And then, we say, okay, wow, nice work, Steve. We've seen the consistency you've shown us, the profit you've shown us. We're now going to allocate you sim-funded capital. So this is like a simulation account, a demo account. In the simulation account, we've got $50,000, and we pay you real cash if you can show profit in it. It's as simple as that. For $77, you You can request up to $5,000 of profits. Okay? 5 separate $1,000 payouts. After you successfully achieve all 5 of those payouts, you request your $5,000. We then move you into firm capital. You're trading real money, our money. So, it's half off for new users, so that makes it $39. And then you've got the shot to earn up to $5,000, and then move into live capital where, you decide what you win based on your success.
All right, great explanation. Somebody asked me what's my favorite pair. I think you're referring to currencies. Was the pound US dollar. Okay, I used to trade that all the time. And then the dollar yen was my second one. I used to trade currencies at 3 o'clock in the morning and go all the way till 4 o'clock Eastern time. Someone said that they made $3,200 trading the NASDAQ today, but lost $800 in gold tonight. There's no way, you never would have gotten stopped out on the gold, you guys. And then somebody replied that they like single lot entries. Well, you can do what you want. Can't give you investment advice. And I will tell you blank for sure, okay, that I don't know anybody that is successful doing single lot entries, period. It's a combination. Well, it's not a combination. To me, it's a remedy for failure. Call it what it is. I got 43 years experience. You do what you want. I hope I really do from the bottom of my heart. I hope you do well. But I tell you, I've never seen anybody make money on single lot entries unless you have $15 to $20 stops. Okay. So if you have, let's say and by the way, another question here. I do not see gold going to 37.50 tonight. Okay, and I don't look at things like that. I look and I trade what's in front of me. I don't look down the pike. I think long term, meaning intermediate term, I think gold's got some downside. Gold just rallied 4. So single lot entries, I will tell you, okay, is high risk. I don't believe in it. I don't think I could do that even with my skill set. Okay. And if you want to short 82s and you want to put a 92 stop in, so be it. To each his own. Okay. I think the markets, to me, and I would not short the gold at 71. Somebody just said that. Okay. But I will tell you, I think it's important to understand the scaling in and the scaling out. And if you do one micro or one contract, well, to me, that's just gambling. That's just throwing a dart. Okay. So you're going to buy a NASDAQ and watch it go down 50 points. I mean, that's not trading, if you ask me. Trading is understanding a methodology, learning the technicals, learning the indicators, learning the ability to recognize a pattern, okay, and to be able to trade a pattern based upon divergences, okay. Is the fee monthly when you buy a prop account or a one-time price? I don't even know how to answer that. Okay, so that's what. So we did 20 already. We got 80 to go. We have 169. We can't get to 1,200. Then we're not going to look like we're going to do this here. Or we won't do the extra 20. All right. Anybody have any questions here at all? I don't know how anybody could have lost $800 on that gold short. Between you and Manu, I don't know what you're doing. If you guys want to call me, Billy, you've never called me yet. If you guys want to call me and discuss it, my cell phone number to anybody is 914-500-7484. Okay? And perhaps only for 1 month after. So, Luke, they want to know the pricing after they pass. What happens on these giveaways?
What did they want, Steve?
They want to know what happens after they pass. Do they keep paying?
To a sim funded account.
It's what?
If they pass the evaluation for the free accounts,
Right.
they move on to a sim funded account at that point where they can make real money.
Okay. You hear it from Denny? Okay. Michael, you focusing on my TikTok?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Again, if you want to register, the link is here. Okay. It's still open. Okay. We had over 1,000 views on YouTube. If any of you want to participate in the extra 20, please fill out the link. If we hit 1,200, I think that's fair. Again, my funded futures. With 26 minutes to go, we did 20. Luke's gonna do another 80 between now and the end of the night. insane. 100 giveaways. Okay, 100 giveaways. Okay, is the Gold World scalping long right now? Not a here. I called it lower. Shadow $4 lower. Okay, I said 63, 65 and a half, 68 and a half. The low was 68.10. If you bought it, okay, I would be scaling out longs here. Okay, all right, up 339 on my. Okay, great call. 83. Fabian Thomas, great job. Did you know astrology? No, I don't look at astrology. I don't believe in astrology. No. Where's the link? The link, you got to scroll up, Trade Vanguard. It's in there to sign up. Okay. How could anybody lose $1,200? Who's lost low of all trades? How did you lose $1,200? I'm dumbfounded. I am dumbfounded. 3 people, how they could have lost gold on this short. I did not start calling shorts on gold till 81.80. It goes to 83.5. If you think you're going to trade gold with super tight stops, you may as well just leave the industry. I'm going to tell you right now. Okay? You really need to leave the industry. Okay? And okay, 914. Yeah, I'm from Rye, New York, and then I grew up in the Bronx, moved to Rye, and then went to Katona, New York, and down to Florida. Okay, I don't know how anybody could lose. Okay, trading gold. You understand what I'm saying? Trading gold. Okay, in that. If you want to take a scalp short on the gold here, I'd like to see it get up to the 73, 76 range or 74, 77 range. I'm looking at short the gold in there. If you get a push up. Again, I do not know how anybody can lose money on the gold. Okay, Bronx, yeah, I'm from Pelham Bay. 175 more to go here. 175 more to go. If you see this, I started calling shorts in gold. What was it, 81.80, 82.80? Right? 81.80, 82.80. I said we're going to look to go to 82.83. You can't, how can you, even if you sold gold at 82, we're going to stop yourself out at 83, 83 and a half on the highs into the negative MACD here? Come on. This makes no sense to me. It really makes no sense to me at all. You can't trade gold for a 10 cent. Stop, Marlon. Great job. 430 on 3 accounts. Great job, Marin. Okay, great job. Okay. And again, I'm not picking on anybody. I'm just saying. Okay. I hate winter. Are you crazy? I'm never going back up. Les Collier up 4,500. There you go. Lee. Oh, is it Les or Lee? Who's moving my thing here? Great job, Les. And again, anybody who wants to reach out to me, my cell phone number is 914-500-7484. Okay. You know what? I'm going to wait. I'll cancel this gold short. I want it to go higher. All right? I want it to go higher. All right? She was in Yonkers and the Bronx. Well, QCAP up 10,000. Unbelievable. Look at this. Up 10,000. QCAP. Great job. Where's Arton? Arton, what are you doing today, Arton? Look at this gold drop. Okay? Arton, you here, my brother? Okay, up 800, made 200. What loss? I don't know what you guys are talking about, a loss. Okay, I said 81.80 to 84.80, or you can go 82.80 to 85.80. The high is 83.5. How could you stop yourself out on gold? Where are you shorting gold? 81.80 and stopping at 83? Oh my God. You got to learn how to scale into a trade, for Christ's sake. You can't be doing this. You'll be broke in no time. Anybody who trades like that, that's not trading. You got to learn to scale in and put a stop in as it's dropping. Look at this gold drop. Okay, on the right into the negative MACD. Gold just dropped too. Okay, but you guys got to learn the trading. That's what I teach during my live stream every day. Okay? What do you mean stock and niche? I called it. I didn't say. I said after the Chinese market, it pushed up to 80.30. It dropped to 78.10. I said I think you're gonna push up to 82.83. I'd like to see 85, but I'm gonna start at 81.80, 82.80. I don't understand what in God's creation went on here. If anyone wants to call me, no problem. I'm happy to talk to you with a couple scotches in me because I don't understand. It was literally a perfect short. Okay? You gotta, Luke, can you post a link for people to subscribe? People are complaining.
What do they want, Steve?
They want the link. They're saying they can't see the link.
Alright.
How in God's creation, I'm not even going to answer this. I think people are BSing. There's no way you could have lost money on that short in gold. No way. What do you do? Short 81.80s, cover 81.80s? What are you shorting? 20 contracts? 40 contracts? This is insane. You're talking to someone with 43 years experience. I don't believe it. No way. No way. There's 4 people out of 1,200, 1,300, whatever, in and out.
We want 1,200, Steve. We got 80 more winners to go. Come on.
Well,
now.
we need 100. We have 172 here.
But if you're costing everyone money tonight, I don't know, man.
I'm not costing money. I don't know what these people are doing.
Steven,
Whatever they're on, send me.
everybody's up, baby. I can tell.
There's
And
three or-
Abhishek is back.
there's
He's
3 or
been at a
4
wedding
people.
For like 2 weeks. I don't know where he's been, but he's finally
We need
back.
198 to get 20 more. All right, Luke, let's do 10 more. We got 80 to go.
10 more. Should we do the wheel?
Yeah, let's do the wheel.
Alright, we're bringing the wheel.
We'll do the wheel for 50 and we'll do the call outs on the other 50.
Alright. These are dedicated to my friend Abhishek. You don't even know who that is, Steve, because he's been at a wedding for so long.
Oh my
But
God.
he is our moderator on the YouTube, helps the chat out, answer questions, post links. I mean, you got me working 4 jobs here. Posting the links and
I
posting
know.
and picking names. Abhishek now is back. That makes, everybody's life a little happier. We're doing 10 winners with the wheel right now. First one is down. We're going to keep it rolling. Gary BB number 2. Gary BB, he's there every day.
Oh my God, Gary BB's here is a loyalist. And they have to be in the Discord to be accepting the award.
C. Hicks is our next winner here. Alright, there's 3 for you, Steve. 7 more to go again. We're looking for a magic number of 1,200 tonight. That unlocks bonuses. If we get to 1,200, I might just make a coupon for a flash sale for everyone. So
Oh my God.
That's
Guys,
quick.
166 to go for a bonus.
Alright, EXT, there's 4. We're spinning for number 5 here, guys. I know the wheel is a little slow. We might have a lot of Excel open, trying to crack some numbers for you all. Everybody needs a good crack, and I'm cracking them numbers. 5 halfway, big M. This is going to take us to 30.
Michael, type it on YouTube.
Yeah,
They have to go to My Fund of Futures YouTube. You can go to my
Please,
YouTube and
4
tell them they
more.
gotta go to My Fund of YouTube.
Come on
You gotta
now.
fill out to be part of the raffle.
Donnie, 11, perhaps Donnell. We have 3 more winners we're looking for in this batch. It's going to get us to 30 accounts tonight. More accounts to go, but again, I need to see the subscribes up, the likes up, the comments up. Steve is giving you guys so many trades today. And we're doing almost a dozen trades from 8 to 10 p.m. Eastern. It's not like this is the most active time either. Triple D. Come on, Steve. 2 more.
I'm ready. We need 158 for an extra 30. Look at this.
Last one for this batch. You're making it happen for the people. Roger is number 10 there. All right, Steve. Back to you to talk
All right,
charts.
let's go. As gold, if this gold gets up to the 74.80, 77.80, I would take a short, use a 80, 77, use a 79.30 stop on the gold if it gets up there. Okay, again, pushing up into negative MACD here. Okay, how do you join on Discord or a website? Okay, Frank, hey, Frank, finally, Frank, how are you? And those of you who are on my YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, okay, and X, you need to go to My Funded Futures in order to participate in, you got to go to My Funded Futures YouTube to participate in the raffle. Denny, can you bring up my chart? I just want to show something, please. I'm getting a phone call from Morocco right now. Can you believe it? Okay.
Your chart's up right now, Steve.
Okay, how come I can't see it here, Michael?
What do you look?
Michael, can you turn around before I snap? Can you look, please? Do you see this? That's not my chart. Okay?
You do have the buttons to change your chart.
They're not working. Billy told me this morning he has to fix them tomorrow. Okay? Okay. Look at my PC. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Look at Sergeant Mobley. Great job. All right. Congrats to the 30 winners. We got, 70 more to go? Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord. Where'd this goal get up to? 70? Oh, my God. 74. All right. All right. Again, this is a nice little bear flag on gold on the 5-minute. Okay. All right. How do you win? Your name will be called out, and what? They get an email, Denny? They get an email? Oh, my God. The gold just got... I canceled the gold short.
You do not have to do anything.
Okay.
I write the names down. I get the emails from the form that you filled out. You will get an email saying that you have won an account.
Yes. And if you want to email Bert to celebrate and let him know you won, you can certainly do that.
What? So, Arch Benny, this is crazy. Can someone explain how I applied to the giveaway? You have to... Luke just posted the link like 900 times. You have to fill out the form in order to participate in the raffle.
Because you must be subscribed to the channel.
Right, and you got to be subscribed to the channel. Look, it's right here. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And the people in mine, okay? My God.
They're starting to sound like Michael, Steve.
Oh, my God. What Michael put me through today, I don't even know how I'm here. You have no idea. I'm tired. I work too many hours.
What time does he show up in the morning?
He's supposed to be here at 8:30.
When did he get there?
9:25. I wanted to strangle
Oh
him.
my God, an hour late.
An hour late. And guess what? He's 7 minutes away.
Did he call you to give you a heads up that he was going to be late?
Okay, Luke. What do you think?
No.
Exactly.
Come on.
This is the Gen Z I got to deal with.
I'm in my mid-30s.
Okay,
I have to work at 7 and I'm still going at 9.
I'm 62, going to be 63 in February. I got more energy than the Energizer Bunny.
Look, there's no way you're in your mid-30s.
I am. I'm in my
It don't
mid-30s.
look like you're out of your late 20s. That
All right.
late.
Well, the highest we got was 1,115. We just dropped 140. People are like passing out now. So I guess we're not going to do the extra 30 tonight, but we do owe, how many more? 60 more or 70 more? I forgot what we did.
60 more.
60 more. All right, let's do another 20. Let's get this over with. This has got 11 minutes to
I'm
go.
not ready yet, Steve.
Not
I gotta
ready?
get in front.
Okay. All right. Gold just dropped. Tried to short to 74.80. Gold just dropped 3 on that pattern. Oil looks like it's starting to wake up here. Okay. All right. 70. No, we just did 30. Okay. We just did 30. And again, tomorrow I will be on the My Funded Futures TV from 12:30 to 1:30. Who's hosting that, by the way? I forgot. Matt, I think they said. Somebody, Matt. I never met him.
Yeah, is that fine?
Matt Fine? Is that his name?
No, is that fine? Are you good with Matt?
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine with it. Yeah, I'm fine with that. Yeah.
That's great. Yeah,
Yeah.
he's really into liberal politics. You know,
Do you see
Yeah,
this?
there's a lot of
Do
hot
you-
button issues he covers.
Do you see the shirt I'm wearing right here? Do you see the shirt I'm wearing right here? Okay. Look at this gold. Jesus Lord. It's $4. $4.50. How could this AHJ keep saying he lost 64? What is this guy on? He's trolling. It's just a joke. Get off, please. Please. I'm too old for this crap. Gold just dropped 5 just now. Gold. I know. Of course. Exactly. Whatever he's on, send me a case. Exactly. Billy's supposed to come see me with his 3 sons. I'm still waiting for a phone call. Gary B, Dan Trades, guys I recognize here. Congrats. So many other new people. Okay. Gold just dropped. Jesus, almost 4.5, 5.5. Okay. So this is the pattern. The negative MACD, the 15s reversing right into the 10 bar, into the negative MACD. I was 74.80, the high is 74. Next trade. You never look back. Okay? You never look back. Frankie, how'd you do tonight, Frank? Gordon Gecko, how'd you do tonight? Arton, where's Arton? Okay.
There is no hard time.
All right. And again, you guys got to click on the likes here. Let's go. All right. And again, those of you who want to reach out to me, my cell phone is 914-500-7484. Also, I stream every day. If you check out my website, sktrading.live. Okay?
And I want to say this too. We're always looking for talent and personalities to add to My Funded TV. We launched this whole channel about 3 months ago. It's growing incredibly. We've got people like Steve on here now. Denny is going to put a link in the chat before we're done today. If anybody is interested in potentially being a host or trading with us on My Funded TV, you got to fill out the form. You've got to submit a video or some content that you've done in the past for us to review. And we'd love to take a look. But again, Denny is going to get that in the chat in the next few minutes here. And Steve, can we do the next 20?
Let's do it.
All right. Let me share my screen. All right, we spun the wheel so many times. We're now going to the master Chat GPT. Integrity of the competition here. Danny, can you get my screen up, please, sir? All right. I said to the master, a.k.a. Chat GPT. I'm sorry that I'm looking away because I got it on the other screen here. I said pick 20 random winners from this list. And for the integrity of the competition, I'm scrolling down. You can see all of your names here. I promise you every single submission is here.
Fucking off. Gotta get it.
And then we got a list. 20. I'm not going to read them all. Scan through it. Take a screenshot for your video proof. The list is here. I'm going to send it to Denny so he knows who to award accounts to. And there's 50 for you, Steve.
There's 50, and we got 50 to go with 7 minutes to go. Can you believe My Funded Futures, as of tonight, will be giving away in 12 business days? Listen to me carefully. 12 business days, 415 free accounts. Well, actually, he gave one to Hugo, so 416. Okay?
I'm off my rocker.
He's nuts. Who does that? Seriously. South won? Again? Who won? Mr. Salt won for Mike Stream? Who won? Mike Jock won? Mike Jock finally won! There you go, Michael! One of the best traders in my... One of my best traders. Damn, I love that. Guys, 210 more and we got 30 more. But I doubt it's gonna... Everybody's faded here. Okay? Unbelievable! Unbelievable! Who won? Okay. Matt Allen won. Good job. Adam won. Oh, Adana won. Arton Arton, you can't be in dinner when a gold drops 13. Are you crazy? Oh my God. Hey, I want a coupon for membership. I don't even know what that means. Okay? Wow. Let's go. Again, everybody, let's do this here. If we can get another 220, we have 50 more to go, and then we'll add another 30. Okay, this has been 12 hell of a days, I'll tell you. 12 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Again, we'll be back next Monday.
How many ideas do you think you've done over 12 days, Steve?
Let's just say an average of probably between 50 and 60. It's not bad. 50 and 60. Arton's up 2,300. Look at this, Arton. Good job. Plus, Arton. Phenomenal day, Arton. Can't wait to meet you. Arton's flying in from California to meet me on Sunday. Can't wait.
Cool. Very cool.
I love meeting people. I never met Arton before. I actually met him through here. We talked a couple of times. He called me. And I just love meeting new people. I just love meeting. I knew this oil was a short. Oil just dropped 8 cents. I may trade oil on these certain patterns, though. Okay. Let's see here. We have 5 minutes to go, and we're dropping. So I guess the extra 30 is not going to happen. But anyway, I just want to say thank you for all of you for joining tonight. Thank you. Again, I have.
We'll go a few minutes long today, Steve. 3 minutes long. For the people, they deserve it.
Yeah, we'll go extra. Let's do 5. 10:05, we'll cut it off. Okay, we'll go 10:05. Okay, bro, I get my college fee $750. What? Kagan? That's my 1 year free. Thank you, SK community. Great job, everybody. Great job. Another pump. Yeah, I went to short as I said to look to short the gold at 74.80. The high was 74, and gold just dropped $6. Again, great pattern. Okay, great pattern. Fabian, great job, Fabian. Okay, made 280 on that gold. Done for the day. Great job, everybody. And you know what really I love about this, Luke, is so many people were open-minded to trade another asset. When I started telling people about trading gold, okay, 1,100 on that gold. Good job. Okay, when I started telling people about trading gold, they told me, no way, it's too volatile. I said, okay, well, that's what you want as a trader. You want volatility, right? I mean, today the S&Ps trade down on the opening from 66, 68 down to 61, 66.31, 66.31 to 66.75, 75 down to 24, 24 up to 68. I mean, what's better than that, right? What's better than that, if you ask me, okay? What's better than that? Okay? All right. Eddie Sargent, good job. Good job, Eddie Sargent. And again, those of you who want to participate, I stream every day from 9 to 4 at SK Trading. Go to my website, sktrading.live. It's about $4.50 a day. It's less than, I believe, a Starbucks coffee. Okay? I don't like Starbucks. Okay? Dunkin' Donuts, whatever you want. Okay. All right.
And,
All right, we have 2 minutes.
Steve, I gotta remind people.
Yep.
To subscribe to the channel. We are here for 6.5 hours every day. You don't need to be here the whole time. Pop in, pop out. About charts, ideas, education. Steve and I are on from 8 to 10 p.m. Eastern every single night. We start at 9 a.m. Eastern for those of you who are trading the New York Open. Now is your chance to subscribe, baby.
All right, we're going to go an extra 5 minutes tonight. Luke asked for that, so why not? Okay, why not? Trade notes made 170. Good job. Now we just got to wait to see what's going to happen here. All right, if this, let's see, let me get one more push.
Steve, I got the next batch of winners for you.
Go. Hey, before you do that, if gold pushes down to the 64 at 7.5 range, I would look to scale into the short. Okay, I scale into the long. Okay. And I use like a 62.80 stop. All right, let's go to the next batch.
All right. We got Hugo, Michael, Steve K, Danny, Luke Jacoby. Next 5 winners.
Hugo won?
Always.
Every day.
We'll give Hugo accounts till the day he dies.
Oh my
That's
God.
amazing.
See, here you go.
Hugo won. Oh my God. My Jock won. Mr. Salt won. Oh my God. All right.
All right.
Let's
Here
go.
are the next 50. I'm going to scroll.
Eric, congratulations.
If you got it, if you're a winner, let us know that you won. We want to hear it. If you didn't win, that's okay. Show some love to your friends. The point of this stream is not to give you a free account. It's
Right.
to learn. It's to get ideas.
Exactly.
To get better. I mean, we have Steve. He's a 43-year market veteran. You have no idea how much I had to beg and plead and convince him to spend the time. I said, you all are lovely. I said, we have the best community on the internet. We truly love them. They love us. Steve spent 2 hours with us every night. Came around. That's the point. But again, if you won, congratulations. If you didn't win, celebrate your friends out here.
All right. Next 50.
That was it. That was all 50.
Oh, you did already?
Yeah.
Where'd you post? Oh, there it is. Okay. I didn't see it. Congratulations. Wow. Really,
Wow.
to be honest with you, 100 giveaways. I don't know any prop firm that does that, nor do I even think of this, though. The amount, 415 accounts in 12 business days. That's absolutely insane. Absolutely insane.
And then I want to give a couple bonus accounts. Oh, I'm still on, yeah. A couple bonus accounts out. I think PXT already won one. He doesn't get one. Mr. Mike, bonus account on the list as well.
Wow.
I'm going to pick one more randomly, folks. Thank you for rocking with us. Roy's getting a bonus account.
Why my YouTube stopped?
And if you guys want to go on our Reddit,
It's
we
frozen.
talk about how great of a job we're doing with the evening stream and how much you love Steve and how other
You got
traders
one
should
made
check it
today.
out.
Got it.
There is nothing more that we would love, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I am very tired. It's been a long day. We go till 10 p.m. every day. So again, if you could pass it on to Reddit that you guys are really enjoying this, so others can help discover it and spend some time with us.
And especially Asia, especially like I said, South Korea, Indonesia, Singapore, Bali, any of these countries, Japan, Hong Kong, that never heard of prop. A lot of the, FTM. There's other firms out there and this and that, but when you start thinking about what My Fund of Futures is doing, and and there's so many different prop firms out there, but nothing like My Fund of Futures. And those of you who are in Asia right now, please look them up. Do your research. They're a phenomenal group of people and a phenomenal prop firm. Okay, phenomenal. And it gives me great joy and pleasure to be here. Look, it's a long day, and we're here every night I'm here from 7:30 till 10:15. I answer phone numbers and text messages till about 11:15. I love it. I really do love it. I got to tell you. I mean, I have the passion, probably more passion now than I did when I first started in the industry. Why? Because I see a big change in people, and I start seeing people that really want to learn and people that really want to excel in their life, and the energy and the commitment from our end, from My Fund of Futures to here with Michael, myself, and my team. We really enjoy this, and we really want all of you to succeed and pass your evals and really change your life for you and for your families, okay? All right, missed that goal just now. That's right. My Fund of Futures rocks. Absolutely, okay? Absolutely. Again, we have about 2 minutes, okay? Again, I wanted to say thank you. If anybody needs to text me or call me, I give out my cell phone number, 914-500-7484. I do not look at XAU USD. Gold missed it by 20 cents just now. It got down to 70. 7.5 was the low on the price, 7.30. I would cancel it though. Again, because gold reversed sell on the 15, any rally with an overbought condition on the 15. Again, this is what I teach all day long. Using my overlay, you want to short the gold on any rally. All right. What's the score of the football game, Luke?
I don't know.
It's the Seahawks and the Cardinals, right?
Seahawks, Cardinals. Seahawks are up 17-3.
Wow.
I think the Cardinals could be the worst team in the NFL this year.
Yep. I think I thought the Jets would be, but they look like they got a little life in them. Browns are bad. Hugo says the Browns. I gotta tell you, I love that I love that Lions coach. That Lions head coach is amazing. I love that guy. All right.
Use code SK. Buy one, get one 25% off, and subscribe to the channel. Now is your last chance. It's ending. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Okay.
All right, Steve?
All right. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Luke. I'll see you all tomorrow on the Mike from the Futures TV from 12:30 to 1. Thank you again. Again, I have a website, sktrading.live. Please check it out. Please join my community of traders from all around the world. Thank you, Denny. Denny is 12 for 12. He's going to be in the Guinness Book of World Records. 12 for 12. Unbelievable. Thank you again for everything. Luke, thank you again for this great opportunity. Love working with you guys. Have a great night, everybody. And God bless you. And more importantly, God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody. See you Monday. Happy trading.